Welcome to GoldWise, your trusted source for financial insights. I bet you didn't know how crucial banks are in our daily lives. In simple terms, it's a place where you can safely deposit your money and withdraw it when needed. Banks act as intermediaries between those who have money to save and those who need to borrow. They offer various financial services like lending money, accepting deposits, and facilitating financial transactions. Think of it as a financial hub that keeps the economy moving. Without banks, managing our finances would be much harder. Imagine having to keep all your savings at home or struggling to get a loan to buy a house. Banks simplify these tasks and provide security for our money. They are essential for both individuals and businesses to thrive. There are different types of banks, each specializing in serving specific customer groups or financial needs. These include retail banks. These banks are the most common and primarily serve individuals and small businesses. Commercial banks. These banks cater to the financial needs of larger businesses and corporations. Cooperative banks. These banks are owned and operated by their members, who are also their customers. Specialized banks. These banks focus on specific sectors or financial activities such as investment banking or agriculture lending. Retail banks are the banks we interact with most often. They have numerous branches and ATMs, making them easily accessible to the public. These banks offer a wide range of services tailored to individuals and small businesses. These services include checking and savings accounts. These accounts allow you to deposit money, withdraw it using an ATM card, and write checks. Asterisk personal loans. Retail banks provide loans for various purposes, such as buying a car, funding a vacation, or consolidating debt. Asterisk mortgages. Buying a house is a significant financial decision, and retail banks offer mortgages to help individuals achieve their homeownership dreams. Asterisk credit cards. Retail banks issue credit cards that enable customers to make purchases on credit and pay later. Commercial banks are crucial for economic growth as they primarily serve the financial needs of businesses, both large and small. They provide a wider range of services and deal with larger sums of money compared to retail banks. Here's what they offer. Business loans. These loans help companies expand their operations, purchase equipment, or manage cash flow. Lines of credit. Businesses often need access to funds for short-term needs, and commercial banks provide lines of credit to meet these requirements. Treasury services. Managing cash flow is vital for businesses, and commercial banks offer services like cash management and payroll processing to assist them. Trade finance. For businesses involved in international trade, commercial banks facilitate import and export activities through services like letters of credit and documentary collections. Cooperative banks function differently from traditional banks as they are owned and controlled by their members. These members are both customers and owners, and they elect a board of directors to manage the bank. Cooperative banks typically operate in smaller communities and focus on serving the needs of their members. The key characteristic of a cooperative bank is member ownership. When you join and open an account, you become a part owner. Profits earned by the bank are distributed among members as dividends, based on their usage of the bank's services. Cooperative banks often prioritize lending to local businesses and individuals, contributing to the economic development of their communities. Members have a say in the bank's operations through the election of the board of directors, ensuring a democratic approach to decision-making. Section 6. Specialized banks. Serving unique needs. Specialized banks cater to specific financial sectors or needs that traditional retail and commercial banks might not fully address. These banks have specialized knowledge and expertise in their respective areas. Examples include, investment banks help corporations raise capital by issuing stocks and bonds, facilitating mergers and acquisitions, and providing financial advisory services. Development banks focus on funding projects that promote economic development, particularly in developing countries. Agriculture banks cater specifically to the financial needs of farmers and the agricultural sector, providing loans for land, equipment, and livestock. And as the name suggests, mortgage banks specialize in providing mortgages to home buyers, focusing solely on this aspect of lending. Section 7. Retail versus commercial key differences. While both retail and commercial banks provide valuable financial services, they cater to different customer segments and offer distinct services. Here's a breakdown of their key differences. Retail banks primarily serve individuals and small businesses, while commercial banks cater to larger businesses, corporations, and institutions. Retail banks offer a wider range of services to individuals, including checking accounts, savings accounts, personal loans, mortgages, and credit cards. Commercial banks provide specialized services like business loans, lines of credit, treasury services, and trade finance. Retail banks typically deal with smaller loan amounts for personal needs, while commercial banks handle much larger loans for business expansion and operations. Retail banks prioritize building relationships with individual customers, while commercial banks focus on establishing and maintaining strong relationships with businesses and their financial needs. Section 8. Banks and the Economy: A Vital Partnership. Banks are the backbone of any economy. They play a crucial role in facilitating economic growth and stability. Here's how different types of banks contribute. Banks encourage saving by providing a secure place to deposit money. These savings are then channeled into loans for businesses and individuals, promoting investment and economic activity. Commercial banks, in particular, play a vital role in supporting businesses of all sizes. Their loans provide the necessary capital for companies to start, expand, and create jobs. Retail banks make homeownership accessible to individuals through mortgages, contributing to the housing market and overall economic stability. Credit cards and personal loans offered by retail banks enable individuals to make purchases and access credit, boosting consumer spending and economic activity. Section 9. Conclusion: Understanding the banking landscape. Understanding the different types of banks is crucial for individuals and businesses to make informed financial decisions. Each type of bank plays a specific role in the economy, catering to unique customer needs. Retail banks provide essential services for individuals, while commercial banks support businesses of all sizes. Cooperative banks offer a member-owned alternative, and specialized banks cater to specific sectors. By understanding the diverse banking landscape, we can make the most of the financial services available to us and contribute to a thriving economy. Please like, share, and subscribe for more informative videos.